Vector graphics are a core part of every interface, but in Framer, they're more than just static files. Vectors are fully editable elements you can draw, organize into sets, customize with variables, and even bring to life with animations. In this course, we'll cover how to build and manage vector sets from scratch, refine and customize them, animate them, and use them across multiple projects. Framer's vector tools aren't just about drawing shapes. They give us a complete system for creating, organizing, and reusing graphics at scale. They enable us to draw and edit paths directly on the canvas, bundle icons into vector sets that stay searchable and organized, customize with variables for flexible styles, create micro interactions and animations with stroke effects, and connect or share them across multiple projects. By the end of this course, you'll have a complete workflow for managing your custom icons in Framer, one that keeps your designs consistent, flexible, and scalable. In the next lesson, we'll start with the basics, drawing with Framer's vector tools. We'll cover how to create paths, shapes, curves, and how to combine them with Boolean operations. I'll see you in the next one.